boys and girls, Mrs. Clayton here. We're going to do our number maze sheet. So we're going to do the front, and I'll probably end up doing the back as well, so we can do it all in one video. Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. Clayton started already. She wrote her name at the top. Now, lots of you sent in pictures of you doing your first and last name, and that was great because Mrs. Clayton could see how well you were doing at practicing your name. It made her very happy. So let's see what the instructions say to do. It says, start at Little Red. Color in number order to make a path to help Little Red get to Granny's house. So we're going to start at Little Red Riding Hood, and we're going to follow the numbers from 1 all the way, I think, to 9 until we get to Granny's house. Now, for this, you could use a crayon, you could use a marker. Mrs. Clayton got a nice big highlighter because I think that it might help her go a little bit quicker. So what number would we start at? 1. You guys are right. So I'm just going to take my highlighter and I'm going to fill in my number path all the way. This is, you can see why Mrs. Clayton chose the highlighter this time. Okay, what number comes after 1? 1, 2. So I have to see if there's a 2 close to that number 1, and I see one right here. So I'm going to color in this box as well. And each time I color in a box, I'm going to go back to Little Red and I'm going to follow the path. 1, 2, 3. Do you see the number 3 close to the 2? I do. So now we're going to the side. Now Mrs. Clayton doesn't want to give you all of the paths, so I'm going to stop there and see if you guys can make it all the way down to Granny's house. Make sure that you don't go 1, 2, 3 and use this 4 down here because it doesn't touch the 3 and it's not part of the path, okay? So now you can pause this video while you do the maze and then you can flip over to the back. Okay, boys and girls, you guys finished your number maze and you're ready to the back of the sheet. Now, I know you wrote your name on the front, but it's always good to keep practicing because our grade 1 teachers are going to expect us to have really good names. So Mrs. Clayton's just going to do it again. If you want, you could even write the date. I'm just going to write May, and I think today is the 6th that I'm doing this. Okay, boys and girls, now it says I can write words from the story in alphabetical order, or ABC order. So what the order of the alphabet is just like our song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, if it helps you, boys and girls, you can get out that letter sheet from your whiteboard. I'm gonna go grab mine right now. Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. Clayton went and got her alphabet sheet from her whiteboard, and this sheet might help you when you are trying to figure out which word comes first. So we're going to look to see, and what is the first letter in the alphabet? A. Is there any words that start with an A? So Mrs. Clayton, she's just going to take her highlighter and she's just going to underline the beginning of each word because that's going to help her out a little bit. I don't see any word that starts with the letter A, so let's see if there's any that start with a B. Do you see any words that start with the letter B? I do. Basket. So I'm going to write that on here. B, A, S, K, E, T. So I'm just going to cross that out with my pencil. Make sure when you're printing, try to print with pencil, just like we did in class. We printed with pencil and we colored with marker or crayon. Now, the next letter in our alphabet is C. Do you see one that starts with C? Nope. D, E, no. F, no, I see an F at the end, but not at the beginning. G. This one's a little tricky because I do see one with a G. It just has an uppercase G, so I'm going to write that one next. G. Granny. G-R-A-N-N-Y. And I'm going to cross off Granny. Let's try one more together. G. What letter comes after G? H. Do you see one with an H? I do. House. So the next line, I'm going to write H-O-U-S-E. me. I'm gonna cross it off. If you want to, you can color the cute wolf and the granny. It's up to you. Good luck, boys and girls.